This is our Math Skills Support Kit, which features the topic Multiplication and Division Facts. This is a great interactive kit that will help students master those multiplication and division facts. The first item in our kit are 10-sided dice. These are a great interactive way to have students practice their skills by simply rolling the dice and multiplying the numbers. The next item in our kit is this handy reference card. On one side, it features the multiplication chart, and on the other side, it features tips and tricks for fact families, counting by, neighbor numbers, and more. The next item in our kit is a division activity as well as a multiplication activity. Students simply start where the star is on the chip and move back and forth to create a ladder, ending with a flag. Another game in this kit is Turn and Earn. The instructions for playing the game are on the back of the card. One student pulls a card. 1 times 9 is 9. Another student pulls a card. 7 times 11 is 77. So the person with the highest value or lowest value, depending on how you play it, gets to keep the card. The next handy tool in our kit is our Slide and Learn multiplication grid. Students simply line up the first number and then move across to find the answer. So 3 times 7 is 21. This is a great handy tool for those students who have problems tracking on normal multiplication grids. My favorite part of this kit is this dry erase book. We even included a dry erase marker. As you can see, this page features word problems on earning money while doing chores or doing work. Let's flip the page. This is one of my favorite pages, Stargazing Math. It looks like it's simply shapes, but the problems are the key. The number of corners of shape G times 11. So they simply look at the shape, multiply, and then with this handy decoder, they can check their answers. This helps the students become confident and independent when working with multiplication and division facts.